Good morning, viewer. You are watching the latest international news update. Iran attacks American target. Iran claims it is capable of attacking several important targets belong to the United States using thousands of missiles and drones. The Khatam al-Anbiyah central headquarters of the Iranian armed force started that one of main target was the American aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln. The attack was said to use drone from the Iranian Navy with target around 340 kilometers from Iran border. After the attack occurred, the aircraft carrier is escort destroyed, reportedly moved away from the area and retreat more than 1,000 kilometers. Iran also claimed that its air defense system successfully intercepted and destroyed an American fighter jet, the F-15E Strike Eagle. In an official statement, Iran said that more than 2,000 drones and 600 missiles had been launched to attack various American military targets in the region. The commander of Khatam al-Anbiyah headquarters, Ali Bulayah, stated that the attack on Iran were carried out the enemy to cover defeat. He also emphasizing that Iran armed forces had delivered a strong blow to the United States and Israel, and warned that the attack could continue with even greater force.
Iranian missiles have continued to target Israeli territory since the joint military operation between the United States and Israel began on February 28, 2026. Iran launched the latest wave of attacks in an operation called True Promise 4 in the early morning of March 6, 2026. The attack used a combination of ballistic missiles, hypersonic missiles, and combat drones. One of the main targets was Tel Aviv, which is the economic and governmental center of Israel. Iran also claimed to have launched heavy missiles with warhead weighing up to 1 ton aimed at the city center. Other targets mentioned included Ben Gurion Airport and Israeli air base located around the airport area. According to the Iranian military statement, several missiles and drones successfully penetrate multiple layers of Israel's air defense system. In addition to attacking Israel, Iran also stated that about 20 U.S. military targets in the Middle East were also targeted in the attacks. This attack shows increasing tension in the Middle East and marks a growing escalation of conflict between Iran, the United States, and Israel.
On March 5, 2029, the Israel military released footage showing the crash of an Iran Yak-130 combat trainer jet over Tehran. The aircraft was seen exploding and burning in the air before eventually crashing. Israel states that the Iranian aircraft was shot down by an F-35I, their stealth fighter jet belonging to the Israel Air Force. An Israel commander named Nevati explained that it and then launched a missile. According to him, the Iranian aircraft was considered a threat because it had the potential to collide with Israel aircraft. In the radio communication recording released by the Israel military, the F-31I pilot can be heard saying that the target had been destroyed after the Iranian aircraft caught the fire in the air. This accident is said to be the first shutdown of a manned aircraft by an F-35 fighter jet. It also marks the first air combat involving a manned aircraft for the Israel Air Force in nearly 40 years.
The Iranian military also stated that they know the location of meetings held by the Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The statement was delivered by senior Iranian military advisor Yahya Rahim Safavi. Safavi said that Iranian intelligence processed a complete database regarding Netanyahu's activities, as well as various important targets belonging to the United States and Israel. According to him, Iran has extensive surveillance capabilities over its enemies. In addition, Safavi emphasized that Iran has been equipped with military capabilities in the form of missiles and drones that are ready to be used. In addition, Safavi emphasized that Iran has been equipped with military capabilities in the form of missiles and drones that are ready to be used in response to attacks from opposing forces. Entering the fourth day of the conflict, the Islamic Revolution Guards Corps, or IRGC, a strong warning regarding the possibility of a large escalation. IRGC spokesperson Ali Muhammad Naimi, Iran would not stop carrying out retaliatory attacks. In the first 2 days of the conflict alone, Iran was said to have launched nearly 400 missiles and about 1,000 drones, targeting various areas in the Middle East. Thank you for watching, stay safe and see you in the next news update. See ya.